Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mia. So today's video is just going to be a really simple tutorial. I was going to lunch with a friend, so I didn't want to do something too crazy, but as you can see, I'm using my Morphe Bronze Goals palette, taking those two brown shades and starting them off in my transition. My eyelids are already primed using my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original, and my brows are filled in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. So I'm just blending that out on my transition so that I can just deepen it up a bit before I go in with my shade all over my lid. From there, I'm going to go back in and take that light brown shade you see and just put it all over my eyes. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush. I don't know the name of this. It doesn't really have like a label on it or anything from a certain brand, but anyone would work. And I'm just, as you can see, patting that all over my lid so that it can just blend in with the shades that I used for my transition. I did my eyes, or the rest of my eyes, off camera, but I just wanted to show you guys. So I did a wing look and I used my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and then from there I used my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara to prime my eyelashes, and then I took my Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha and just placed those on. Moving on to my face, this is the Milk Hydrogrip Primer. I love this primer before putting on foundation. And then from there I took my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade Cappucino, and I just patted that all over my skin with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand, and I'm just placing that all over my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and my forehead, just in the areas that I wanted to highlight, and then blending that in again with a beauty blender. I forgot to show it on camera, but I'm currently setting my face using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in Banana. I have combination skin, so especially when it starts getting hotter up here, I always try to make sure that I take a little extra time to set my face so that I don't start creasing or getting too oily during the day. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder in Hazelnut on a foundation powder brush and just going through the areas that I didn't hit with concealer so that everything can match and be smooth. For bronzer, I used my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzer. I'm in the shade Coco Naughty, and I took that on a Morphe brush. I think this is the 527 brush, and I just put that on my cheeks and along my forehead just to put a little bit more color back into my skin. And then I took my e.l.f. So Rosy blush on a blush brush and just hit my cheeks to give it some color. Back to my eyes and my lower lash line, I'm taking that deep dark chocolate shade right there on a smudger brush and just smudging my lower lash line. I wanted to keep this really monochromatic, I guess you could say, with the different shades of brown. And then I'm taking that shimmery shade and putting it in my inner corner. And then I did the rest of my eyes using my L'Oreal mascara again on my lower lash line, and I decided to skip eyeliner just because I wanted to keep things light. And then I took my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter and just put that on my cheeks and my nose. And now I'm taking, this is my favorite drugstore lipstick, this is my Maybelline lipstick in Raw Chocolate, and I'm putting that all over my lips just to finish up this look. And then to finish everything off, I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and spray my face just to set everything in place. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!